ribavirin can cause hemolytic anemia. It usually gets concentrated in your RBCs and it will cause hemolysis, and that will be kind of an intravascular hemolysis, and it can also cause a component of extravascular too. Now, drug-associated lupus will be seen with drugs other than ribavirin. We have three very common drugs that you need to remember. That is your hydralazine, isoniazid, and procainamide. Okay, so these drugs will be causing a drug-associated lupus. Then you have leukopenia, and leukopenia would implicate bone marrow suppression of some sort, and that is not seen with ribavirin. You'll be seeing it with chloramphenicol or such drugs. Okay. So now drug-induced rash would be common with majority of the drugs. Although for USMLE, what you need to remember is your amoxicillin or ampicillin-induced rash. Okay. Now a rash can appear in different people based on their tendencies. But for USMLE, if there's a person who has developed a drug-induced rash after taking amoxicillin or ampicillin, what you need to remember it is that it is not a hypersensitivity reaction, and once you stop the drug, you can reuse it in the future. Okay, now this is a step to CK potential question, but yes, if there is a drug-induced rash because of your amoxicillin, you can reuse that drug in the future. Okay. For other causes, other hypersensitivity reactions, you usually just stop your penicillin, right? You move on to an alternate one. Okay, but yes, in ribavirin, it is rarely seen. It is not something as common as you see as their hemolytic anemias.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.